Intel jumped 10.6% yesterday after a chip deal was announced. The stock is up 263% this year. We ran 3 months of hourly data. The FSR score is 51.4%, lower than the 1-month reading we got when Bank of America upgraded the stock weeks ago. Intel has been riding political support, new partnerships, and an AI narrative all year, but not everyone agrees the run is justified. One analyst this week called Intel's valuation something that doesn't make sense and suggested NVIDIA, AMD, Micron, or Broadcom as better alternatives. Stock has also been swept up in the broader CPU renaissance rally. ARM Holdings hit a 52-week high yesterday too, even as one firm downgraded it to neutral the same day. 3 months of hourly data, FSR score 51.4%, Rolling FSR 96%. The graph starts at $43, climbed steadily, and is now at $135, roughly a 3x move in 3 months. The 3-month average sits at $89. Price has been above the average since roughly the halfway point. Here's what's notable. The 1-month FSR we ran on Intel was 89%. That 3-month FSR is 51%. Same stock, very different scores depending on the window. That tells you the most recent month has been more structured than the 3 months overall. Earlier in this period, there was more chop before the trend really locked in. The rolling FSR, 96%, confirms the short windows have mostly been clean, but the early stretch of this 3-month period pulled the overall score down. The analyst average target on Intel is $94. The stock is at $134. That gap has only widened as the stock keeps running on news catalysts, political announcements, partnership news, and sector-wide chip rallies. The FSR doesn't resolve whether that gap is justified. It tells you the structure behind the move. Earnings July 23rd. We'll run it again before that report. Full tool at predictability-jpi.com. Link is in the description. Breakdowns happen all the time. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.